Okay, I know that you are excited for your new Blackstone Griddle. You just got your new one and you're like, I need to use it. And I got my 36-inch behind me that we're gonna season. I'm replacing my 30-inch 2-burner, but I wanted to make sure we run through what you don't want to do. First, do not cook. I know you're excited, you wanna go ahead and cook, you're ripping the stickers off this thing. Not the best idea because you gotta season it. Step 2 of don't do's. Don't use animal fat or bacon on your first seasoning. What happens is we got salt, we got nitrates. You're trying to create a layer. They use this fancy word called polymer. You want to layer. Think of like blankets, layers of food. You want to create multiple layers, and if you use the bacon up front, you can risk chipping, rusting. You don't want that. You want to go ahead and have a smooth layer of polymer and smooth layer of oil. So we're gonna run you through what you should be using, how you should be doing it. We're gonna get you taken care of. All right, first step is soap and water. Now this is probably the only time you're gonna use soap on your grill, but you're gonna take it to the limit one more time. Just kidding. We're gonna go ahead and put soap and water on this thing. I know people are like, you don't put soap and water on a griddle. Yes, you do in the beginning. You do use soap and water in the beginning. You wanna scrub this bad boy, get it nice and ready to be fired up. The heat is not on, nothing is on yet. We're just getting off all that sticky residue. I got this one at Lowe's. Wherever you got yours, there's some sticky residue on there. You wanna get it off. So that soap and warm water, and just make sure you clean it nicely. Do not forget the edges. A lot of people forget the edges, and we are not those people. All right, let's get it all dried off here. Get all this dried, get the soap off there. Got fresh paper towels. Use Bounty or whatever paper towel you want to use. Some people use white cloth rags as well. Depends on what you want to use. I just use a quick Bounty paper towel. Gets it all cleaned off. It's gonna burn off too, but we want to get that kind of sticky, plasticky off our grill. It's the best idea. All right, let's turn our burners on. We're gonna start low and then work our heat up. We don't wanna warp our new griddle. So let's turn this bad boy low. We are on. We have power. I have built fire. All right, we're gonna gradually let that warm up. About 5 minutes. And then we will turn it up to high heat, but first we're gonna get that, we don't want to cause any warping. So about 5 minutes on this lower heat cycle. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Now we're gonna turn our heat all the way up on each burner. If you have 2 burners, do 2, you 4, all that. We're gonna turn it up to high heat. We're gonna give it a few more minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and start seasoning and creating our layers. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the channel. I know we're getting our grill seasoned right now, but go ahead and do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on and smash that like button. All right, let's get back into seasoning. All right, see the discolor? It's colored, got a nice, good color to it. We're gonna go another 2 tablespoons. Right here. Get it off there. There we go. Gonna put our gloves on so we don't burn ourselves, because that's never good. And we're gonna take our paper towel and we're gonna do it again. This is pretty much what you're gonna do for 3 to 4 times. I do 4 times, so it's gonna take you about an hour to get this done. So set aside an hour, do this every 15 minutes for an hour. And make sure, same kind of idea. You're gonna get all the sides in here, and we're creating layers. So you're doing every piece. The back piece, front, we want it all. And make sure we don't pull any. We want it all smooth and sucked up. We don't want any layers in the middle. Layers in the middle is not good. Again, you can use a towel. You can use paper towel like I'm doing, whatever you feel comfortable with. All right, look at that color. Okay, yeah, let's go one more. Let's go 3 on here. So we're gonna put our nice little seasoner on here like we did before. We're gonna do it all again. Gonna grab our gloves so we don't burn our hands. Take our paper towel. We're gonna do the same thing again. creating those layers. I think I've said the word layer like 50 times. That's how important it is. Same idea. We're just making sure we get every corner. Remember, the pooling is the problem. When people have their grill, they get too much seasoning on it, too much oil, or whatever product they're using, and it pools in the middle, and then it's not all seasoned properly. So, smoke is your friend. Don't be afraid of it. All right, I'm gonna smooth all that out. Make sure we have no pooling. Make sure we have it totally spread out each side. Getting our corners, getting our grease trap. But yep, we're creating the layer. This is our third layer. And we still haven't cooked on it yet, and we're not going to. Remember, we're gonna let this run. We do it one more time on the fourth time. 4 times. You can do it 5 times, it's up to you. I'm gonna do it 4. That's what I traditionally do. And make sure nice and smooth. There we go. All right, 4th and final time on the seasoning. We're gonna go 2 tablespoons here, like we did before. And we're gonna make sure we spread this out nice and even. I know we've been doing this an hour. I know the video hasn't been an hour, but we've been doing this an hour, and you probably want to eat, and I understand. Ooh, we're gonna get crazy with this. And I understand. But we're almost there. Almost there, guys. All right, we got the grill all seasoned up. If you like these videos, I got 2 more for you. So click or tap the screen now to check out our smashed tacos, check out how to clean your grill, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.